Hey guys, a quick video to show you how to set the mirror to fold when you close your car. Okay, so let's do it. First you have to do that. Next step is to turn on the ignition. Okay, and if you go right here, you see that my auto button is not on. So next step, what you do now, you press that auto once ignition's on. Then when the mirror, outside mirror has been activated. And now, once that's done, you turn off the ignition. Okay, you turn off the car. Let's go back out here. Well, let me get the key out because I have the key in my car. It won't close. So, see now if I close it, and that's inactivated. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.